Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys a perfect strategy. Alright, this is a price action strategy, but first of all, before I do that, I'll first of all do my analysis right here on the 4-hour time frame. Alright, and this analysis I'll be taking it down to the lower time frame, alright, which is either the 1 minute time frame or the 5 minute time frame, alright, where I'll be taking my entries from. Alright, so now here on the 4-hour time frame, I'll try to identify the trend using using trend line. Right, so now as you can see, this is indicating an uptrend, right? As you can see, this is showing that we are in an uptrend, right? So after knowing the trend, I will step down to the 1 hour time frame in order to see what's going on down here. So as you can see, price went a little deeper, so I'll try as much as possible to follow price closely, right? So I'll still put in another trend line here. So here I mark out my trend line again, so I will still step down to the 30-minute time frame. So here on the 30-minute time frame, I will mark out the support and resistance zone. Alright, so I can spot a support and resistance zone right here. Right, so I mark it out using my trend line, right? So, and this is the most recent zone. Alright, so as you can, if you have been following my channel, you will know that I normally mark out the most recent support and resistance zone. Alright, so here is the one I'm seeing here right now, so I can still mark out this one again, right? This is a recent support and resistance zone. Alright, so as you all know, this is a zone, not a line, right? So that's what I'll do. Let me just mark it out as zone so that you see it. Right, so there's a zone here, there's a zone here, and there is also another zone here, right? There's another zone here. So now that I've identified the zone, I'll step down to the 15-minute time frame and see what's going on down here also. So here on the 15-minute time frame, right, there is still a zone here that we should take note of, right? There's a zone here, right? There's a zone there that should be taken note of, and I believe this is the zone that is like reversing this price now. There's a zone there that is like bouncing price down now, right? So after identifying this, let me step down to the 5-minute time frame where I may be taking my entries from. So here on the 5-minute time frame now, I will also draw a support and resistance zone here. So as you can see, this is what price is currently doing. Now price has broken below this zone, right? So now all I should be doing is to take a short scalping entry here, right, where I will sell from this area down to this place. But if it doesn't go my way, there will be a spike that will bounce up or break above this, retest, and then continue to the upside. But as you all know, I don't like trading against spike, but sometimes I do show you guys that it works, but I don't think I'll be taking any entry into this video because I'm kind of busy now. I won't be able to monitor it. So the main purpose of making this video is to just show you how you can use price action to take your entry, right? And in order to have a better understanding of what the market is doing. So that is what I have shown you guys in this video now. So if you are a new viewer, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Here on this channel I post powerful strategy that will help you to grow your small account, alright, and I also give tips on how to trade in order to become profitable. So that is what I do here on this channel. So if you are new, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post new content you get notified immediately. And to my returning viewers, I want to thank you for your support and love. May the Lord bless you. So that is pretty much everything on this one, guys. See you on the next video. Silver out.